Here's a great deal on a 2019 Toyota RAV4. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as cruise control, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, a power rear cargo door, and a split folding rear seat. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Sophisticated all-wheel drive technology maintains a firm grip on the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.